Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first category on Pluto LMS. Categories are used to categorize or organize your courses site-wide, and in order to show you and demonstrate how to create your first category, I'm going to move our first course that's called Learning and Development into the category that I create. In order to do so, what you're going to want to do first is navigate to Site Home. And what you'll find is all the sample content that Pluto has created inside of a sample content category. And you'll also notice your first course that you've created within this category. In order to create your own category, you would go to Site Admin on the left-hand navigation panel. Once inside the Site Admin dashboard, you'll go to the second panel called Course Management. And in this case, we're going to the second panel and the second option called Manage Categories. Once inside this screen, we can see our sample category over here and our 4 courses, which are the 3 sample courses and the course that we created. I can move my course around if I wanted to, but for now, what we're going to click on is Create New Category. What we're going to want to do is select top to move it to a separate category. And we're going to go ahead and name our category over here. I'm just going to say first category. Don't need to give it a description. We just want to create it. And we're going to move this category right to the top. Now, if I were to click on our original category, I can go ahead and I can select my course. I can also edit my course settings, copy a course, or delete a course if I want to. I'm also able to hide courses individually if I don't want them to be seen to the end users or any users without the relevant roles. What I'm going to do is select this course and I'm going to go and choose to move it to first category. For this example, what I'm also going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go and hide our sample content. And if I were to click on home page, I will see that our first category has been created with our course and the sample content has been grayed out. If I were to go to an incognito tab and show you what that looked like from an end user's perspective, when they logged in, I'll just drag it on screen. What they will see is because the sample content is hidden, I won't be able to interact with it, and you can see that they can only interact with this course.